121.7.
Yeah, that's ground, but yeah.
Valdosta Tower, helicopter 8046 Echo.
Helicopter 8046 Echo, Valdosta Tower.
46 Echo, we're on the north ramp. We would like to do a departure to the north.
Roger, proceed to Alpha. Wind calm, altimeter 3006 from Alpha. Proceed on course north as requested, cleared for takeoff.
46 Echo, altimeter 3006, proceeding to Alpha for a clear departure to the north. All right, ready?
Clear on the side.
I don't need to call him back. He
Nope.
gave us cleared for the go.
He did. I want to give you a little car beat here, since we don't need the power anyway. Clear left.
Clear left.
And clear this way. Yep, cleared for takeoff. Let's go. Trim?
Yes, please.
Trim's coming on.
Trim's coming up.
Alright, next place is Macon. 2 hours.
No, making Middle Georgia Regional.
Yeah.
MCN.
Where are you going right now?
Probably into a rooftop.
What about that field?
Yeah, that'd probably be a good idea.
Anytime you're flying, always look for that possible spot.
You want to pull that air vent out for the front all the way? Get some air circulate through there.
Yeah.
Archer 8046, correction 4080. Archer 40862, Macon Tower. Report 1 mile, correction 10 miles north of the airport.
862 will report 10 miles northwest of the airport.
You'd think I just bought this tongue.
Well, from what I hear, you washed it and can't do anything with it, right?
That's a fact.
Let's just go down to the numbers.
46 Echo, turn left
Yeah,
at the end on Charlie, taxi to the ramp, this frequency.
Alright, proceeding to taxiway Charlie to the ramp on this frequency. So we're going to go out here and make a left on Charlie. Heartbeat's going down. And we can keep up a pretty fast, just for power wise, we can just kind of scoot on around. You relaxed?
Yeah.
Alright.
There we go. There's
There
the
we
numbers.
go.
I could have had it down in the numbers.
Let's just try to keep ETL here, power management wise. And he told us to turn left on Charlie to the ramp and remain on this frequency.
Okay.
So we're just under.
I see the fuel down there to the left. Target right on the line.
Yep. Right on the center there. Keep coming up. You were concentrating, weren't you?
I was trying to get it going there. Trying.
Good job.
This is fun.
Isn't it though?
Yeah. Macon Tower, helicopter 46 Echo.
Bear 7 Charlie, turn right at the end on taxiway Charlie, taxi to the ramp, monitor .65 on off of the runway. Have a good one.
Right at the end on
I
Charlie,
think that's the guy from the other day. I'm not sure.
Helicopter 40, correction, helicopter 8046 Echo, Macon Tower, contact Macon ground on 121.65.
46 Echo, contacting ground.
Skylane 63 Alpha in sight, no need to reporting point, runway 5 clear to land.
Making ground, helicopter 46 Echo.
Helicopter 8046 Echo, Macon ground.
46 Echo, we're sitting here in front of low aviation. We would like to do a departure to the north.
Helicopter 46 Echo, say your destination and requested altitude.
46 Echo, we're going to be departing to Habersham at 1,000 feet.
Helicopter 46 Echo, what's the identifier for Habersham?
46 Echo, AJR.
Helicopter 8046 Echo, maintain VFR conditions at or below 2,500. Atlanta departure frequency 124.2. Stand by for your squawk code. 46 Echo, readback is correct on departure squawk 5157.
46 Echo, squawking 5157. That's good, that's good. We're getting...
Yeah, 5157. So same guy, two frequencies.
46 Echo, you ready to taxi?
46 Echo, we're ready.
Helicopter 46 Echo, taxi out to the movement area off your left shoulder.
All right, ready?
Tell him back.
46 Echo, we're taxiing out off to the left shoulder. Ready?
Yep. Any clearance or instructions you'd like to read that back? You're clear on this side.
Correction, helicopter 46 Echo, switch to my frequency 128.2.
46 Echo, squawk, changing to 121.2.
Helicopter 46 Echo, 128.2.
128.2. Out of 12.
He forgot something there. All right.
Why is he, you know, he shouldn't be making a helicopter do that in a hover.
No. All right, let's call him up.
What do I say now?
Tower.
Making tower, helicopter 46 Echo's with you.
Helicopter 8046 Echo, making tower, turn left on course, clear for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, left on course.
46 Echo, cleared for takeoff, left on course.
Let's just take off this way.
Skyline 63 Alpha, turn left at Bravo 2, then turn right on Bravo, cross runway 13, taxi to the ramp, monitor 0.65 on Alpha of the runway. Have a good one.
463 Alpha, turn on Bravo 2, appreciate the help. Monitor 965.
You're welcome.
I mean, it was good for me to go through those paces, but I don't like doing the frequency change when I'm in a hover. If I was on my own, that's BS. He's not that busy that he keeps putting us off.
I think that was the same guy.
Helicopter 46 Echo, contact Atlanta departure 124.2, good day.
46 Echo, contacting Atlanta.
124.2, so 124.2, you're along with Atlanta Center.
Pull that trim for me.
Yep.
Do I need to say Atlanta Center 46 Echo's with you?
Is with you off of Macon. That's what I would say.
Atlanta Center.
Yep.
Getting a little windy.
That's a 79 kilo, maintain
Keep your power in
about 3,500 now, 3,500 feet for traffic.
Roger, 79 kilo, climbing to 3,500.
That's a 79 kilo, you can proceed direct Perry when you're able.
Atlanta Center, helicopter 8046 Echo's with you out of Macon.
Helicopter 46 Echo, Atlanta approach, ident to make an altimeter 3006, what's your on-course heading?
46 Echo 3006 ident. What is course heading 0?
Helicopter 46 Echo, radar contact a mile north of Macon Airport, what is your on-course heading?
010.
46 Echo, course heading 010.
Loma 01, contact Warner
That
Robins,
was basically
tower
kind of to give them an
133.22.
idea.
Where we're going?
Yeah. Here we are, Habersham Airport, Northeastern Georgia. Picture op, 46 seconds.